wanted my hair to be blonde, and I did not want it to sit here and go and order a new wig. This is a used wig. Yes, it's used, and I went ahead and just removed the color. This is how the wig look. It's hella bright, so let me just get into it. All right, okay, so baby, let me just let you know this, okay? I want to let you know this part right here of this video of me installing this wig. This I seen my favorite YouTuber did this step, and I was like, okay, maybe if I go out and buy my stuff, I would, slay like how she slay. But that did not happen. It did not happen, and I was so pissed. So I imagined, like, the hairstyle on me and everything. I even dreamt the hairstyle, okay? I just couldn't wait to even install this blonde wig to show you guys how lit and slayed I am. But apparently it didn't came out that way, because look at this lace. Like, look at this lace. I went out shopping and I bought this tan spray thing, right? And I didn't even check to see if the color matches my skin or got the right color. So look at my lace and look at my cap. What was I thinking? Like, what was I thinking? It's not even matching. People at my job was asking me if I'm wearing an orange wig, but then I had to think, like, wait, she probably seeing, like little strips of oranges in this wig, because I had removed the color from this wig to make it black blonde. And I was like, oh my gosh, like all day I was just looking at my wig and I was like, this do not match my skin color, like it just don't. But I still end up pulling it off, you guys. I end up liking how the wig turned out in the end. So that's just my take on me just doing that step wrong. So hopefully when I have another blonde wig, maybe we would do this whole step the correct way and the right way, because honey boo child, this not even blend with my skin. Like, guys see me doing right here is adding some concealer to my part, so that way, you know, the wig could look more natural on my head, because as you guys know, like, it's not matching my skin color, the lace. So I'm trying to like put some concealer that match my skin color in the part, that way it look like it's coming out of my scalp, but really and truly it's not coming out of my scalp. But yeah, I'm just like blending it so it could look more natural, you know, just look more natural. But it kind of semi quote unquote did, but I still came and pull it off. So yeah, now I'm just gonna give myself some curls, and we're gonna get ready to slay this look. Okay. So if you guys are feeling this look, you guys just let me know. Just let me know. You understand what I'm saying? The calls already went ahead and dropped because it's so hot right now. Yeah, this is just the end of this video, you guys. So I'm so mad that my freaking calls dropped. Like, it was so cute. It was cute and it just dropped. Anyway, so I'm gonna check out you in the next video. Okay, I hope I enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to your girl channel, like this video, do all of that good stuff, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.